Hey everybody, let me show you what I got going on today. I got a MacBook Air, an A as an Apple 1466, and we're gonna change the battery out on it. Battery was dying fast, and it was showing service battery. So these are not glued, so it's gonna be a pretty simple repair. So let's get right to it. Back cover just pops right off. And we'll get this blown out. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. Gonna disconnect it right here. It's got a little tab. Just gonna pull that out. Might have to push it from here. Okay, got that out. And then that is a P5, I believe. It's gonna be a T5. Correct. You got the back screws are shorter than the front screws. So don't mix them up. And then you got one right here in the middle. And no glue, no nothing, just pops right up. And the other one pops right in there. Basically a little brush. I'm going to go hit it with some air, compressed air, releasing that fan. Much better. Got the new battery. New battery right there. Got that from Mobile Centrics. Mobile Centrics, you have to be a business to buy from. So I've mentioned that before, but you probably can't buy from them. So Amazon is fine. You just make sure you get it in there. Actually, it's going to be easier to get it in first, just because it's the other one's already bent into place. This one not so much so. So you're able to just get it in there. Sure it goes in straight so your pins are good. Yep, we're gonna have to bend. I have to bend it. This is going down. And now just push it into place. So here, no tape, nothing. Very easy replacement. 5 screws. That's pretty much it. So you always want to test it out. Probably it's not going to turn on when you disconnect the battery. Actually, it did turn on. Some of these you got to give it power for it to turn on. So when it turns on, you just want to take a look at the cycles, make sure the cycles report's right, make sure it doesn't have any error messages. And I always, before giving it back to the customer, I always give it a full charge. Just make sure, just to make sure it's charging to full capacity, and I'll run it for a while and see that it drains properly as well. And that's going to be a wrap. So that was a quick one, 9 minutes. So just put the back cover on and you're good to go. And that's what's going on right here, right now at PC 911.